Hello there YouTubers, it's me AMR and welcome back to my unboxing video. This time it's another one of my big unboxing videos. Last big unboxing video that I did was a long time ago and that was my Asus laptop. This time I just recently got I just got it right now, the PlayStation VR. This is the second version of the PlayStation VR 2.0 and I played it at my friend's house and I really enjoyed it. At first my thoughts of it was really bad. I thought it's just going to be like the mobile VR devices, but I literally played it on yesterday on my mate's house and I absolutely enjoyed it. It seemed like if I was right inside the game, and the game that I got with it is this. Basically I have to buy that separately. I got this from Game Shop and it cost me $350. I missed out all the deals because there was a sale going on all over the place after Christmas, and it was like £300 plus Gran Turismo and this and that. I completely missed out. So anyways, without enough talk, let's get straight to it and unbox this. I'm really excited to unbox it, so let's go. It opens like that, and right inside you can see that white PSVR box that looks absolutely amazing. It's got really nice texture to it. It's also got a PS4 logo, PlayStation logo on it. Let's try and get that out without damaging anything, because I really want to keep this box nice and tidy. This is gonna be, I don't know what that square thing is over there, but I'm guessing it's gonna help me to lift this up. Anyways, let me get this out of the box. Pause it. Right, I finally managed to get it outside of the box. That was a real struggle. Needed two people just to do that. This is the box of the VR. Absolutely amazing texture all over the place. Of course it's going to be amazing texture. It cost me a bomb just to get this. And as you open it, oh right, you find the blue box inside. And inside the blue box is a bit of bubble wrap that I'm going to literally pop later on. And you got a big instruction manual here. I don't think I'm going to need it, but maybe I will need it because I've seen the setup in my mate's house and it looks pretty simple. And as I was saying, inside this box is another box and it's all blue, but at the bottom is the VR itself, the VR headset. In here is basically the HDMI lead here. It's the full HDMI lead. Actually there's two HDMI leads. I'm really confused right now. I think this is the one that connects to the CPU box that I call it. But anyways, never mind the leads. We'll get to the leads later. Here is the VR headset. Opening it really nice and carefully. Here we are. Two stickers at the side showing it's brand new. If them stickers was not there, I would have took it right back. Nice and dust free. Version, I have no idea what's the difference between the first version and second version. Actually I do, I just realized these ones have the volume switch here. It's also got the what's it called now, the AUX wire here, and also that's the only difference I think. Other than that, it's got some better graphics I heard, and nothing else in the box. It's all nice. I'm gonna keep this box. This is where I'm gonna normally store it. So here's the VR up close look. I'm sure you guys seen videos on how to adjust the back and front and whatever. I don't want to go into detail with that. So anyways, this looks really nice. I'm going to keep all this because I don't think I'm going to be spending any more money on this, on the storage and stuff, unless I really like that. So let's get into the blue box. What has the blue box to offer? I've shown you the instruction manual. The blue box is full of goodies. Wow, look at all that plastic. Right, you've probably seen the PSVR word voucher there, but obviously by the time the video gets uploaded, I will already have put in the code so you guys can't get it. Stop being cheeky about that. Here are more instruction manuals, the I don't really need the PS camera for this because I already have it, and yeah, instruction manuals all over the place. Here is basically what I call the CPU box. This gives power to my PS4 so that it can handle the PSVR. It looks pretty cool. It looks like a mini PS4 to me. And at the bottom here, the connectivity ports and stuff. At the front, there's one USB port and one HDMI port. That gets right here. We also have here the AC adapter. I believe it's for obviously the CPU block. We also have here it looks like a camera stand. Yes, it is. This is a camera. That's how convenient of them to give me a camera stand. Also with that, here's the camera. The one that I have is much bigger than this. And they have also given me headphones with it. Apparently these headphones will give you really like surround experience. Here is another HDMI. And here is the power cord. That probably connects inside of the AC adapter. Yup, I was right. Right in here, it connects inside there. Along with the standard, actually no, it's not standard. This is the C-type USB port. I have no idea what's that for. I am missing something here. There usually is a cleaning cloth, which I can't seem to find anywhere. Let me just have a quick through where the cleaning cloth is. I'll pause it. Well then, tubers, for some reason I can't find the cleaning cloth. It's probably stuffed in one of these boxes, but I just opened one of the instruction manuals and it says there that there is no cleaning cloth in this. Maybe, I don't know, it's shoved somewhere, but I can't find it. Anyway, that was the PlayStation VR unboxing for you. It was a pretty brief one because I was pretty excited. I wanted to get right into it. And yeah, I kind of did get right into it. So thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a like. What do you think about VR? If you want to ask me some questions, write down in the comments below. Thank you for watching AMR. Peace out and stay active. See ya.